It was very musical
Just
of you.
kidding. Here's my park bag. So, thought I'd show you guys what I actually pack to take into the park. I use a little backpack, or I also have a side, what's that called? Crossbody. And I basically put the exact same stuff in it. Surprisingly, I can fit a lot of stuff in the crossbody. So the outside, I just have a couple pins and little buttons, hand sanitizer, and then a keychain. Nothing too crazy. And this is a Longchamp backpack. I have my fuel rod with adapters.
So we've never once exchanged this time. I've never plugged in my phone at the park.
I only did one, I think, once or twice. I wanted to exchange it, but I never needed to. I've got my sunglasses, which I just took them off my head, but I've got my sunglass case for my sunglasses.
Which you got those new this year.
Yeah, these are my new ones that you'll probably see in another video. I currently have a pass for Universal, but I don't really usually have that in there. I usually carry the gripper thing for the
Camera.
I don't know what the official name is.
It's close enough.
And then these are my like little wallets that hold my money and change. Instead of just having a big wallet, I just keep my cards and annual pass and stuff like that. I have a little granola bar or protein bar just in case I get hungry. And then that's another pass for Universal. And then I just keep a little Ziploc bag because this is easier for them to look at and I don't have to hold people up in line. These are tissues, wet ones, lotion, gum, which you're not supposed to have at Disney,
Well, you can't buy it, but you
and
can
hair
bring it.
tie, ibuprofen because you can never have enough ibuprofen, and toilet seat covers just in case.
I find that is going to be one of the most unique ones I've ever seen
Yep.
in a What's in Your Park bag video.
Toilet seat covers. And then of course I always keep my cell phone either on me or in my bag. That's pretty much it. That's all I really need. If it looks like it'll be cold or rainy, I will pack a raincoat or a poncho. So
Well, we haven't needed one
we
this
haven't
trip.
needed it all.
Knock on wood.
So far, we haven't needed it. We still have one more day to go. But
Oh, you also have your annual pass
yeah, that's in here.
and your magic band on your wrist.
Yeah, annual pass is in here, and then I have my magic band on.
Cool.
Pretty simple. Nothing too wild and crazy.
Great. Do you want to show what's in mine?
Yes. So right now I'm carrying, I have the same exact Longchamp bag that Kim has, and I wore that last time I was here and I loved it. But this year for some reason it wasn't working as well for me. The days that I took bottles of water to the park, I needed that one, but I found that I was having a trouble just keeping everything organized. So this bag I like because it's a little more structured and it has more compartments in it. So I also have my sunglasses, and I would put those in there on rides that I can't have them on my head and everything. So I have a small wallet, which is pretty fat right now because I have a lot of change in there and it's annoying. But I have my annual passes in there. And then the other side pocket, actually if you can see, kind of see the organization. I don't know if you can see it there very well, but fuel rod as well, which again, I've never used. Oh, I happen to have some open eye drops. And I think that's it in that pocket. It's a small pocket. Oh, I forgot on the outside, I also have a hand sanitizer, which is a Walt Disney one. And it's about halfway gone. Oh, I might need to get a new one.
Or you could just refill it.
Got, Kim, you're not thinking bigger picture here. Got some park maps. This is in the side back pocket here. I don't know if you can see that. It's just an open side pocket. Gum. Then in the big pocket, I have this clear plastic bag. Oh, another park thing. This bag, it's kind of like Kim's. This was a tip from Krista from Girl Meets Neverland. Actually, she had talked about using a clear bag so that's easier for security to go through it, and I found that has worked really well. Ibuprofen, tissues. I don't have any fancy Disney ones right now.
I gave you
I
some.
don't know where they are.
Ugh.
I'm sorry. Most important, I don't know why Kim doesn't have these in here.
I gave my Band-Aids to that little
that's
girl
right.
who
Kim
fell.
was very nice today, and she gave a Band-Aids to a little girl who fell.
And she had bloody knees, so
she did.
I would have normally have Band-Aids,
Band-Aids
but
in there.
I don't.
And I have a variety. I have some, I think some blister Band-Aids and some regular Band-Aids. And these are inside-out Band-Aids. Fingernail clippers, in case to get a hangnail. Neosporin for boo-boos. Eyeglasses wipe, because I always need those. A shot wipe, because I always tend to drop food on myself. A hair tie. Another thing at eye drops, because I'm wearing contacts right now and my eyes get dry. And gum. Another gum. I have 2 gums.
Contraband.
I have a lot of
Disney
contraband.
contraband.
But that is everything. And and my camera. If Kim doesn't have the camera, I'll have the camera in my bag and my phone.
In the car keys. Oh, show them the
car
little...
Oh, there's a nice little, this is also a nice feature. It has one of these guys, so I always know to check this for my keys, because I'm also paranoid about losing stuff. Kim knows. Also, I forgot, I have a side pocket in here, which I have a folding hairbrush and mirror, medicine, and an extra camera battery. So that is everything, and everything fits really nicely in this. I mean, I have more room, but not enough room for a water bottle, which I wish it was just slightly bigger so I could get that in there. But otherwise, it's good.
Cool.
That's it. All y'all.
Oh, yeah.